Hey guys, okay, so last week we introduced you to Facebook and kind of how it works and everything. Always remember that YouTube always has a video if you want to know how to do something. Anything on Facebook, just ask the question on YouTube. There's a video that will teach you exactly where to go get the code generator, where to go get things on Facebook, okay? I'm just giving you a light overview and my take on everything, which I'm going to have very big opinions when it comes to Instagram because Instagram's just a piece of garbage. It's the most limiting social media, and yet it's number one. And my son lives on Instagram and TikTok and all that. But we'll get to those, okay? Let's talk. Let me share my desktop here so I can show you. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like here. Let's get rid of that. Choo. Okay, so here's my browser. Let me make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, over here on the left, see where it says Explore? There's two things I want to talk about. One I'm talking about this week, the other one I'm talking about next week, okay? Pages and groups. Pages and groups are totally different. I'm going to explain both of them. A group is when a bunch of people have something in common come together and basically want to discuss it. So like if you're a car collector, it would be a car collector group, or if you're an Instant Pot fan, it would be an Instant Pot group, which by the way, they have like over 1 million members. They've had that for well over a year. It's crazy busy. Okay, so now pages. Pages are different. Imagine the yellow pages. Remember the yellow pages? Remember those money spending people that just would dump it on your front step and you throw it out? Well, it's like the yellow pages. It's kind of more of a business. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to go to some pages and I'm going to show you that I have a page. It's kind of like your business. So if you're a plumbing business, you'll have a plumbing page for your company. If you're a Cooking with Jack show, you'll have a show page. It's not quite as interactive or group run. It's more run by the person who owns that business. So if you're a business, you definitely want to get a page for your business. If you don't have one already, well, this is something you want to pay attention to. So I have shortcuts to my pages. I have a Cooking with Jack page. I have a Jack on the Go page, and I have shortcuts. So let's go there right now. I'm not a fan of the design. I mean, if I want to see where my posts are, I got to scroll all the way. Watch how far I got to go. Look at this. All this garbage. I got to keep going, letting it load. Got to wait till it loads. Got to pass events, pass pictures and videos, boost an Instagram post, reach people nearby. All this is money grabbing stuff. Promote button over here. Okay, page transparency, not really a fan of. So let's see upcoming events. Now here's my posts. Am I on Cooking with Jack? Yeah. Here's my Cooking with Jack video that got posted today. So I had to scroll all the way down. I don't like that. I don't find it very appealing when everything has to do with the posts. Okay, but I do see here they give me stats, 40% response rate, 2 days response time. So if you write me within 2 days, I'll get back to you. Usually it's a day. I try and stay on top of it. 47,000 followers. Right here you got 5,606 posts reach this week. That's how many people who were served my post. Doesn't mean they saw it. It means they popped up in the news feed, and they went by it. Doesn't mean they clicked on it or they read it or they watched the video or anything, which is kind of useless to tell me that. Let's see, 7,493 video views this week. See page feed, 40. Let's see, community. I don't even know what these other things are. I don't even use them. All I do is post on my page. Okay, so you'll see here, you've got a welcome video, which I do like. I like this idea. Right here is the welcome video to my page. Been watched 48,000 times. You can swap that out all the time. You can change it. It's to ask them to like your page. It's to tell them about what's on the page and anything. Here's about. Right here, you got, I'm a blog, like I really am a video blogger, is what you call me. TV show, food and beverage blogger. It's the only categories I could choose. They put the website here, and I've got some playlists. Okay, and then let's see. Yep, and you can change this picture of the food. You can change it to whatever you want on a regular basis. Um, I've talked to a lot of people, like the guy that owns our town. Let me go there right now. His page is Hip Hendersonville Official. I think it is. Is it? Is it official? Yes. So my buddy owns this page, and it's got how many people? No, this ain't it. No. Hold on. Let me find out where the Hip Hendersonville. Let's see. It is that? Is that it? No. Oh, hold on 1 second. There's like 3 of them. I know which one's his because there's like thousands and thousands of, like this one right here. Okay, this one, as you see, spotlight your business here, contact and admin. I literally told my buddy, I don't know if this is his page or there's another, there's like 3 Hendersonville pages, but they sell the ad space. So like if you're a plumber or a real estate agent, okay, you want to own the top page, this top part right here that you can see, spotlight your business here, contact and admin. Because your company is going to be right there. It's like a free ad. Most of the pages are affordable, but some people are just get a little bit too greedy. Okay, now let's go to a restaurant. Let's do, what is it? Meat Sweat. Is it Meat Sweats? Meat. Yeah, the Meat Sweats barbecue. Let's see if they got a page. Here we go. This is probably the best barbecue in town. Okay, great looking picture. Look at that. What is this? Why is there a chat popping up? All right, so you can see the food. Great picture, looks good. You can send a message to the owner right here, and then you can choose to follow. You can choose to like. Do I not like him? He's my buddy. I gotta like him. Then I can mark the 3 dots here, and then I can let's see. There are things I can do in this menu. All right. So like, see following. See, I'm following him right now, right? But you can unfollow the page if you get in an argument and he just says something rude or you don't want to associate with him anymore. You can unfollow him, but most likely you'll stay following. And then see this. This is important. See first. I have a lot of friends and a lot of businesses that I want to know when something's going on. I want to see it immediately. So you can mark see first. So anytime Meat Sweats puts up a special or is doing Texas Tuesdays or whatever, I can get an immediate alert. It comes to the top of my news feed. Do it with your face. Don't do it with a lot because then it's just going to look like a news feed. Do it with like your best friend or do it with your best friend's company. All right. Or somebody or your company. Well, not your company, but a company you may be invested in. I don't know. You can follow them and see all their stuff. So anyway, you could see here, ask the Meat Sweats, what kind of food you can give questions. Can I see a menu, where you're located, all that stuff. Right here, the about section will give you their website, their hours, okay, their phone number, their address, everything. They're open right now for pickup. Nobody's probably sitting in there. Okay, also, if you go to a page on the left right here, go to the left side here with me. See right here, create a page. It's a great spot to go and get started with your own page. If you can't find out how to do it, go to any page and there's a create a page button. So you'll see here's the home, video, reviews, photos, posts, events that Meat Sweats is doing. Everything about Meat Sweats, okay? So let's go back to mine. Best way to get to your menu of choices right here is to go back to home. This is back to home. And then you can hit pages. Mine takes so long. Whoops. I hit pages. Why did it go there? I want pages. Oh, I guess these are my pages. Look at this. Promote, promote, promote. Facebook will hammer you to spend money. I never do. I don't, because they don't give me money. We'll talk about that later. Why can't I get to my page? Let me go shortcut. There we go. Okay, so you can see this is my Cooking with Jack page. All right, I got my store address where all my stuff is. I've got my welcome video right there. Excuse me, my nose itches. I got some other things about my page. Here's my playlists. It's Jack Jr.'s video right there on the product reviews. I've got a little picture, a little paragraph about me. You can upload videos. They're really big into videos. They're really trying to compete with YouTube, and we'll talk about that in about 2 weeks. We're going to talk about how to upload a video to Facebook, why Facebook's now paying you money. You have to have so many views. We'll talk all about Facebook videos, okay? But and we'll give you some recommendations on how to get the most bang for your buck. But right now, that's a page. That's like a business page. I want to show you also, if you look right up here, this page, see where it says inbox? We're going to go there right now. This is really cluttered. I'll go to inbox and show you. The way Facebook's doing things now, because Facebook owns Instagram. Facebook owns WhatsApp and Instagram. And they're cluttering the inbox. So if you look on the left here, the left menu says messages, and then Messenger is within Facebook. It's a program that lets you message each other. All right. Instagram Direct, comments and more, Facebook and Instagram. They've combined Facebook and your Instagram account. So I can click on Instagram and look at my Instagram comments right there. Or I can click on Facebook, look at my Facebook comments right there. Only thing I care about are messages. I don't care about comments and posts and all that stuff. I get told about those in the notification center. So I just go here for messages. Okay, then you can go back to the page. You can write people. Oh, you can, let me go back 1 second. As you can see, let's see, Daryl, this guy right here wrote me, when you made your perfect beef brisket, how long did you cook? Well, he asked me a question. I have an automated response. It says, Daryl, thanks for writing. I will get back to you ASAP. God bless, and be sure to subscribe to my website. And then that's it. He gets that message right away. You can set your own messages to say whatever you want, and then it gives you a moment to answer him a little bit. Well, I've already answered Daryl. I wrote him privately and told him the answer to his question. But then you can click on pages and get back to the main page. Okay? And then on this left side, you can see everything about me, live, video, events. We're going to teach you also, we're going to show you how to go live. We're going to probably do that, uploading video and live. We'll do it together, okay? You can do fundraisers. That's a big thing for YouTube and now for Facebook. You can fundraise with your videos. You can put a fundraiser button up there. Buy sauces. If you click on buy sauces, I integrated my store. You can integrate this is a free shopping cart I use for my sauces, and it lets people buy my sauces or my merchandise. Okay, so they can come here and they can choose, you want jars, and it shows them all the jars. Okay, there you go. That's all my sauces. So you can integrate your store also. So you can do a whole business straight from a Facebook page. You do have to have a personal account. Okay, so you have a personal, then you have a business page, or you have a personal and you have a show page if you're a YouTuber. Okay, and that's pretty much it. The other stuff I recommend is go into settings up here at the top. You can see right here, go into settings, and I want you to, and you should read through all this. Do not give anybody, let's see, is there anybody else? I lost my page. Somebody had hijacked it from me. It was gone. They were showing pornography. It was a mess. And all my people were really upset. So make sure you don't give anybody any pay. I'm telling you this. This is the one thing to get from this video. Don't give anybody any power over your page. I don't care if he's a janitor of your page. The lowest level can take you over. I found out that give him any kind of a role on your page. So page owner, existing page roles. Your name should be the only name that should be page owner. There should be no other role. I'm the admin. I'm the editor. That's it. No one else. Trust me. Facebook is horrible at this. It's a scam. People will try and win you over with money. They'll say, hey, we want to pay you so much money per day to have, put ads up on your page. And all you got to do is give me manager authority. So you give manager authority, they boot you out and they take over and they invite all their friends. So that's the warning. Do not give anybody any kind of a role in your page. You're the only one that can do it. Let's see. Go through all these things. You can do event ticketing. There's so much to do. I'll just go one by one through the menu and figure out what each one does and the benefits. Some things will help you. Some things won't help you. All right. So we are pretty much done with that. I have Cooking with Jack and I have Jack on the Go. Here's my Jack on the Go page. And this is going out to restaurants and reviews. There's my Jack on the Go video, welcome video, welcoming them to the page, asking them to like Facebook, and be sure to subscribe to my show. So that's about it. But as you can see, there's a blank picture right here. I haven't even done our story. You'll see if you haven't done stuff, it'll give you little warnings. You can invite friends to your page and all that. But here's all your videos. And then you get down to your, once you get past all the asking for money stuff, which I call it, they want you to start with automated ads and everything else. Okay, there is all my posts. All right, so that's about it. So far we have learned that pages are for businesses like your yellow pages, okay? Groups are different. We'll discuss groups. I'll show you some groups. I'll give you the do's and don'ts because there are some warnings when you join a group. So we'll join a group and I will show you what to do. And there are some really cool groups out there. And it's great for marketing. I'll explain that next week, okay? Why you need to know groups. You're like, well, why do I want to join a group? What if I don't want to join a group? You want to join a group, trust me. And I'll explain that next week, all right? I love you guys, and I will see you guys later.